at length measures to enhance the current volume of our bilateral trade and agreed to work together to achieve healthy two-way growth. I assured the Prime Minister to take the necessary measures for investment facilitation and ease of doing business in Bangladesh. I propose to the Thai side to invest in our special economic zones and high-tech parks and to take one special economic zone exclusively for Thailand.
বিকাশে কম খরচে ক্যাশ আউটের লিমিট বেড়ে 50,000, প্রিয় এজেন্টও 2টা।
We both agreed to commence our negotiations on a free trade agreement FTA by the year 2024. In this regard, our concerned ministers of commerce have signed a letter of intent LOI. To facilitate smooth contact between Thai and Bangladeshi officials, we signed the agreement on visa exemption for agreement for diplomatic pass holders. For Bangladesh, Thailand is a potential partner to engage in energy cooperation. To explore the potential of energy cooperation, the Memorandum of Understanding (MEU) on energy cooperation was signed. A third Memorandum of Understanding has been signed on cooperation and mutual assistance in customs matter. To benefit from Thai knowledge, experience, and best tourism practices, we signed the Memorandum of Understanding on cooperation in the field of tourism. To ensure food security for our people, we explored the possibility of collaboration in the agriculture and food processing sectors. Regarding maritime connectivity, we discussed the direct shipping line between Ranong Port and Chattogram Port. We are following with great interest Thailand's flagship land bridge project. We discussed the possibility of cooperation on training and capacity building for Bangladeshi medical personnel. I also proposed him to explore the possibility of investing in hospitals and medical facilities in Bangladesh. I proposed to the Thai side to enhance cooperation among specialized universities between the two countries, especially in agriculture, fisheries, and food processing. Ladies and gentlemen, Prime Minister Thavisin and I also discussed regional cooperation mechanism under the BIMSTEC framework. Thailand, as a current chair and host of summit to be held later this year, will have over the chairmanship to Bangladesh. We firmly believe the BIMSTEC is a key driver of regional economic growth for total population of 1.8 billion. To achieve a sustainable solution to the Rohingya crisis, Bangladesh sought the support of Thailand. On behalf of the government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, I invited Prime Minister Thavisin to undertake a return visit to Bangladesh. We want to welcome him very soon. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
থাইল্যান্ডের প্রধানমন্ত্রী থ্রেসা থাভিসিনের সঙ্গে দ্বিপক্ষীয় বৈঠকে ছিলেন প্রধানমন্ত্রী শেখ হাসিনা। আমরা এতক্ষণ সরাসরি ছিলাম সেখানে।